can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. Today, we're having a very red day in the markets. Hopefully, the markets will pick up. On a weekly time frame, the market is still looking green. The market is still looking healthy. All coins are pumping front, left, and center. Ethereum still trades around $3,400. Bitcoin trades above $100,000. We look at news going around the cryptocurrency market, sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, and when will Altseason happen. We'll talk about altcoin season. What's remaining for Altseason to officially happen? Why is there a delay in Altseason? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, there's extreme fear back in the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are very, very volatile. They're very, very emotional at this point in time. They're used to high prices. They want more from the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin, the king of the market, trades above $103,000. Ethereum trades above $3,400. But sentiment is in the gutter. Even though we are seeing a lot of altcoins pump front, left, and center, even though over the last 1 week, guys, we have seen Filecoin, we've seen Uniswap, we've seen Near Protocol, Aerodrome Finance, Fetch, all having huge double-digit gains. Market participants are still scared. They're still scared. Why are they still scared? Because a lot of them have over-indexed on Bitcoin. A lot of them have seen what Bitcoin has done over the last 3 years, and their portfolio is majorly in Bitcoin. Next few days and the next few weeks, I expect that to start shifting. You start hearing people saying, I've sold my Bitcoin, I'm buying the altcoins in the market. I strongly believe whales have already been exiting Bitcoin over the last 6 months. They have been positioning themselves in the altcoin market. While retail investors have been doing the opposite. Retail investors have been selling their altcoins over the last 6 months and trying to buy Bitcoin, trying to catch that final pump. I personally believe the cycle is very, very close to an end. I personally believe Bitcoin is either topped or Bitcoin is very, very close to a stop. I won't be shocked to see Bitcoin just give us a 702 retracement and then roll back down to gobbling town. So I'll be focusing on the altcoin market. I'm focusing on Ethereum, focusing on Ethereum memes, and focusing on lower cap coins. Right now, sentiment is extreme fear, which historically, guys, has always been a good time to buy. The mantra on this channel is to buy when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, and you want to sell when there's extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, there's extreme fear in the markets. Historically, that's always going to be a good time to buy. When you start seeing the crowd get bullish, when the crowd starts saying we're going to the moon, this time is not different. Now the time to run for the hills. We saw that happen in October. Bitcoin got to $126,000. There was great day in the cryptocurrency market, and just 1 month later, we are down in gobbling town. So things can really change in 1 month in the cryptocurrency market. You can see big pumps happen very, very quickly. But just remember that after those big pumps happen, there's always a dump to gobbling town. So I say expect sentiment to improve. Right now, there's extreme fear. Yesterday, there was fear. Last week, there was extreme fear. Last month, there was fear. In the coming days and coming weeks, we should be expecting neutral sentiment. Maybe we will see ourselves heading very, very quickly towards greed. If you look at Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, the all-time high for Bitcoin still sits around the $126,000 level. We've seen Bitcoin pull back from the all-time highs, and even though that pullback was nothing to write home about, in the grand scheme of things, Bitcoin dumping 22% is a regular occurrence, but market participants are scared, which leads me to believe a lot of market participants have gotten used to seeing Bitcoin just chug up to all-time highs. I'll not be shocked, guys, if in the coming days and the coming weeks, Bitcoin fails to get to new all-time highs. Bitcoin just has a 702 retracement. Market participants piling into Bitcoin while the altcoin market is going crazy. And at the last moment, when they sell their final Bitcoin to jump to the altcoin market, they will end up buying the top of the altcoin market. The crowd is always wrong at the extreme, and a lot of altcoins are at the extreme right now. They have been down bad for years. I've seen a lot of market participants that their number one strategy is just shorting the altcoin market. Now imagine you are shorting Filecoin the last 1 week, you have been blown out. You were shorting Uniswap last 1 week, you have been blown out. If you are shorting Fetch, Near Protocol, that's how volatile altcoins can move in 24 hours. A lot of them can pull off 20 to 30% move And in 1 week, you might even see 200, 300, maybe as high as a 1000% move. Things can get very, very crazy when the market is getting to an end. When the market is getting to an end, when the market cycle is getting to an end, you see a lot of market participants behaving irrational. They feel like they have missed the boat. They feel like there's no longer time and they have to make up for that time. And the only way they understand to make up for that time is by taking more risks. More risks, more reward, but more chances of also losing your stash. If you look at Ethereum's valuation against the US dollar, Ethereum has pulled back since the 18th of August 2025. Since then, Ethereum went from $4,955 down to as low as $3,000. It had 8% decline in around 75 days, which, to be honest, again, is nothing to write home about. We saw Ethereum dumping for the majority of the first half of 2025, where it lost around 65% of its value in the process. But right now, Ethereum is still holding key support levels. I will not be shocked, guys, in the coming days and coming weeks. As Bitcoin goes on the 702 retracement, we see Ethereum pumping aggressively, maybe even setting new all-time highs. For Ethereum to set new all-time highs, around the 46 to 50% pump is necessary. If you look at Bitcoin dominance, I'm still on the horse. I believe in Bitcoin dominance is going to dump aggressively over the next few days and the next few weeks. We've seen Bitcoin dominance start declining since on the 27th of June 2025. We saw a little pulse right here. Bitcoin dominance has been going up since September. Right now it's up for over 59 days. I believe it can continue going up. I believe we're going to eventually see it decline aggressively, maybe down to as low as the 51% region. Let's call liquidation in the cryptocurrency market. The last 24 hours has seen 144,000 traders getting liquidated. Total liquidation comes in around $449 million. The largest single liquidation order happened on Bitfinex. The liquidation was around $12.85 million. This trader was liquidated. Be careful out there, guys. A lot of market participants are taking more risks right now. I won't be shocked to see a huge liquidations of bears. And for bears to get liquidated, we'll be pumping to the moon, and that's why I believe will fuel the final echo rally. We see a lot of people shorting altcoins as they're pumping to higher values. A lot of other market participants are in stables. Will not be able to take the pain. They will jump in at a very wrong time, while the smart players will be exiting with some sweet profit. Let's look at some news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Bitwise Chainlink ETF appears on DTC site, steeping pending launch. A lot of ETFs are going to be approved this week. Immediately the US government shutdown ends, you're going to be hearing talks about ETF for almost every and all coins: Chainlink, XRP, Litecoin, Solana. Don't believe that this time is different, guys. One thing is sure, the bubble will always bust. Your number one job is to buy low, sell high. If you buy low, sell high, you can make those sweet bread and rolling for the hills. Canary Capital filling signal spot XRP set for launch this week. Coinbase stablecoin startup Bonk walk away with $2 billion deal. Prospective CSDC chair to face hearing after Trump's polls first pick. Bitcoin Wave 3 expansion targets $200,000. XRP runs again for US Senate seat in 2026. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How bullish are you in the cryptocurrency market right now? Market participants are on live edge. Are we pumping to the moon? Is the bull market over? Are we in a bubble? I still believe that one more rally is coming, and I believe the Memecoin market will benefit from that rally. If you take a look at the general Memecoin market, the last 7 days, we've seen a lot of Memecoin getting love. Altcoin is up 31%, Dog we had is up 14%, Donald Trump is up 9%, Pepe is up 3%, Shiba Inu is up 7%. In the coming days and coming weeks, guys, watch out for the Memecoin market. The Memecoin market is where many market participants go to speculate, thinking, you know what, let me just put $1,000 here. Let me just put a $10,000 here, because we're in the cryptocurrency market to get those big gains. And the altcoin market is where you can get huge weekly and daily gains. But the Memecoin market is where you can get life-changing gains. So pay attention to the Memecoin market. The Memecoin market starts exploding. It means we're very close to the end of the market cycle. Altcoins are still pumping, but we're not yet in altcoin season. For us to officially be in an altcoin season, 75% of the top 50 coins have to perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. I believe we'll soon get to an altcoin month. An altcoin month will happen when we see more than 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a given month. Right now, Bitcoin is down 10% over the last 1 month. the explosion in the altcoin market, the exit pump as you may call it, is coming, and that's when market participants will be shouting kumbaya. By the time we get to altcoin season, guys, profits would have been made. The winners would have been cashing out, while the retail investors will be buying, thinking that they are early, thinking that this time is different. If you want to avoid that, do your personal research, buy low, sell high. Time is your friend. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Where do you see the cryptocurrency market heading into in the coming days and coming weeks? Do you believe Bitcoin still have some fuel in the tank to rally to as high as $150,000, maybe $200,000? How are you preparing for the forthcoming bear market? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investments in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.